Hi kids, today we are going to learn some words which are starting from letter J. We will learn how to write capital J and small j, and we will learn how to write the words which are starting from letter J. So we will learn so many words today. Before starting, we are going to learn some colors. This is brown color, this is blue color, this is pink color, this is yellow color, this is purple color, this is parrot color, this is orange color, and this is light purple color. Very good. So we are going to start with blue color. Just go down, 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 make a one loop here. And here is one small sleeping line. See, capital J is so easy. And here you just go down, down, down and make a one loop here. And here is one dot. See, small j, capital J, small j, capital J, small j. So now let's start the word with pink color. Read with me. J A M Jam. J A M Jam. Very good. You can read with me. J A M Jam. Very good. These all are 3-letter words. So the next word with orange color. Read with me. J O Y Joy. J O Y Joy. J O Y Joy. The next word with light purple color. J E T Jet. J E T Jet. The next word with green color. Read with me. J U G Jug. J U G Jug. The next word with purple color. J E M Jam. J E M Jam. Read with me. J E M Jam. See the next word with yellow color. J A R Jar. J A R Jar. The next word with blue color. Read with me. J O G Jog. J O G Jog. The next word with brown color. J O B jog. J-O-B, jog. So we learned so many words which are starting from letter J, and these all are three-letter words. These are the three-letter words which are starting from letter J. So let's repeat it again. J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. J-O-Y, joy. J-O-Y, joy. J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. J-E-M, gem. J-E-M, gem. J-A-R, jar. J-A-R, jar. J-O-G, jog. J-O-G, jog. J-O-B, job. J-O-B, job. Very good. So you see, we learned so many words which are starting from letter J, and we learned all these colors. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye bye.